All right, welcome traders, welcome traders. So it's early in the morning, and I know that I want to push this video out. This is a video on the Ichimoku Hayo, or otherwise known as the Ichimoku Cloud. So this is a Japanese-based indicator that a lot of Japanese traders will use to find their way into the market and also stay out of the market. So it is a pretty okay tool. Um, it's pretty decent. The problem is with this tool, it keeps you out of so many trades that could be profitable for you on a consistent basis. So you can have somewhat consistency, but this can be used in different manners in different time frames. This is also a lagging indicator slash reversal indicator, but I'll show you on different time frames of how this could be used and why I disapprove of this tool altogether. So let's go and find the Ichimoku Cloud. All right, so here's the Ichimoku Cloud. I'll put a star next to it so I can find it. All right, so in the Ichimoku Cloud, anything that is between this red cloud and green cloud, it is a no trade zone. You do not trade that. You never trade anything in between that. So let's go to the settings. So you have your conversion line, then you have your baseline, then you have your lagging line, and then you have your span A, which is your cloud, and span B, which is your cloud. And this is your colors for those clouds. I'm going to give you a breakdown of it. So you have your lagging line, and it lags behind price. Keyword, it lags behind price. That is a no-go. You never want anything that lags behind price. So I'll go ahead and show you while I take these off. So you have your lagging line. See how far back that it's off from price. This trade then went into the cloud, came out of the cloud. So anything below the cloud is a sell. Anything above the cloud is a buy. This thing it lagged behind. It went above the cloud, telling you to buy. This is terrible. So it told you to buy here. Then it told you to sell over here. It's giving you mixed signals altogether. So in this point, okay, I'll take that off because it's telling you to buy. So in this instance, it's telling you to buy. Go up. And in this instance, it's telling you to sell. And it's telling you to go down. So now you're all discombobulated over the market. Now you have two mixed signals. You have mixed signals going over and over. Now, the smaller the cloud, the weaker the resistance. On different time frames, this can be shown all throughout it. So anything that has a lagging line behind it, it's far behind price. Price is not even going to respect anything that's going on like that. That's why I don't use it. And then you get this big drop that came out of nowhere. It said, oh, but the Ichimoku Cloud told me to buy above the cloud. Yeah, that's what they've been preaching, to buy above the cloud. Yeah, it told you to buy above the cloud. Cool. But when you bought above the cloud and it dropped from the sky, now I done lost all this money. That is a lot of pips in one candle that I lost all my money from. And I didn't even need to. So a lot of these indicators, like I've said many, many times, are just to mess you up. So in this instance, I'm going to add those other confluences back together. You have, that was just your baseline, I'm sorry. This is your lagging line. This is how far behind price it is. So this is pretty far behind. It's just showing you a mirror of what price is. And really what it's showing you is just a line chart. You can do that on your own. You don't need this indicator to show you a line chart. I have the line chart pulled up right here. It's the same thing that just, it mirrors the whole thing. You're literally wasting your time. It is a complete mirror of what is going on. That does you no good. Okay, now let's go ahead and have these other lines on. So you have your lagging line, then you have your convergent lines. You converge together, it's telling you to buy. Okay, these lines converge together, it's telling you to buy. And you've been buying all throughout this entire point. It crossed the baseline, telling you to buy. Okay, so you should be buying and just continue to buy. The market has been whipsawing back and forth. It's still above the baseline, telling you to buy still, and then you have the sell signal after you've lost all your money. Dang, that sucks. You lost all your money all throughout here. Your stop loss could have been tight. You could have been trailing it. You could have just walked away from your trade, and you just lost all this money. Man, that sucks. So we're gonna go and test this also in the M15 time frame. Same concept. Tells you to buy above the cloud. Okay, look, I'm winning trade. This is an awesome trade. You have a gap. Oh man, but it's still telling me to buy. Now it's bouncing off the baseline. Oh, goes back into the cloud. Then it's telling me, oh look, I need to buy again. And then it's too late. It's telling you to buy. It says too many lines. It's gonna get you confused. The trading is not like that. We have multiple lines going all over the place. If I add in the rest of everything from the cloud, that is confusing. All of this, oh, well, this baseline is doing this, and this is doing this, and doing this. You don't have a solid structure of what direction should be taken. That is why I disapprove of this indicator. I've lost money with it. It's can be used as a good indicator if you tweak it correctly as a basis of what it is. I disapprove of this indicator. I do not approve of this indicator at all. Go find something else. Keep trying. If you need help, always reach out to me. I'm always here to help people. Um, Obviously, I run a course. I don't do this for free, but I'm willing to help people at a reasonable price. But with that being said, traders, see you in the next video of my indicator series of putting all these indicators together. Peace.